Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Let's talk NIO. No, not that NIO. Let's talk NIO, the Tesla of China. In this video, I'm going to do a deep dive valuation of NIO stock and give you guys my buy points. This is after the stock has plummeted by nearly 40%, so this definitely could be a great buying opportunity for NIO stock, and that's why I'm so excited about this video. So before we dive right in, if you're new around here, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. If you do find any value at all in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. With that being said, let's dive in. So kicking things off, what's so special about NIO stock? Well, NIO, I think, is one of the major players in the electric vehicle industry in China. And China, as we know, is the world's largest electric vehicle market. They also have a growing middle class population, and that's what makes NIO so special. NIO is also backed by the Chinese government, who bailed out NIO after they were undergoing many issues. Now, I did a full video on this and I dived into how this will affect NIO shareholders in the future. So if you want to check out that video, I'll leave a link for that in the description below. But the real unique thing I like about NIO is their battery swap technology. And this, I think, gives them a competitive advantage, potentially over Tesla, which doesn't offer battery swap technology. They have started to build out a vast amount of charging infrastructure in China at the moment, but still battery swap stations do get rid of what's called range anxiety. You don't have to think, where's the closest charging station? Have I charged my car? Do I need to charge it overnight? You can simply go to a battery swap station and they'll change your battery for you with NIO. And this also gives a price benefit to NIO cars, because NIO can actually sell the car without a battery, and then you can just pay for the battery as you use it. Call it battery as a service. I think this is a fantastic idea and definitely allows NIO to actually penetrate the market in a different way that Tesla is doing in China. Now, usually when you think of Chinese products, especially Chinese cars, you think of cheap and not very good quality, but NIO is the complete opposite of this. NIO is what's called a luxury electric vehicle, and I watched a few reviews on this, and many stated that driving a NIO was very similar to driving a Bentley. So that's the quality you see with a NIO, whereas if you compare that to Tesla, Tesla's doing a different business model. Tesla's aiming for mass adoption of their products, so they're not really focused that much on quality. It's a high quality vehicle, but I think the NIO vehicle is more of a luxury vehicle, and that is how it's placed in the market. So let's dive into a few headlines, and then I'm also going to reveal how you guys can invest into NIO stock without actually investing into NIO stock directly. So be sure to watch this video till the end to be informed of that. So let's just dive straight into the share price to kick things off. So this is what I want to show of NIO stock, and this is NIO back in September 2020. It was around $20 per share. I was doing videos on NIO back then, to be fair. And since then, let's put it to here, the stock is up 293% from that point. If we go from the start of 2020, this is the crazy bull run. NIO is up 2,000% year to date, which is crazy. And that was to its all-time highs. But now there's been a major correction. It's down 36% today, so major decline, and this could be a potential buying opportunity. Now, this video is not financial advice, guys. Always do your own due diligence, do your own research before investing into any stock I mention on this channel. But it's down 36%. Is this specific to NIO? Well, not exactly. Basically, interest rates have been rising, which has been affecting the growth multiples on many growth stocks. However, a specific thing which is affecting NIO and EV makers is the chip shortage. So NIO falls as Chinese EV maker says chip shortage will dent second quarter production. Also, I want to touch on NIO's manufacturing, which is different to Tesla. So Tesla's vertically integrated. Tesla basically creates everything for their vehicles in their gigafactories all over the world. So Tesla is vertically integrated, which does help their margins, and that's why we can see Tesla is a profitable company. NIO is not vertically integrated as such, and they basically don't really manufacture their own vehicles. They have a partnership with a company called JAC. So what about self-driving? What about autonomy? Well, if we dive into this here, so they've actually partnered recently with NVIDIA, fantastic company, which I'm invested into. Now, NIO's partners with NVIDIA to develop a new generation of automated driving electric vehicles. Now, it's hard to say how far NIO is along with regards to the autonomous vehicle space, but at least they've partnered with this major chip provider. Now, we've also got another competitor I'm going to touch on briefly, and that is Xiaopeng or Xpeng, however you want to say it. Now, Xpeng posts results from Real World Autonomous Driving Challenge. Now, this was posted just yesterday, so March the 25th, what EV investors need to know. And basically, so data from the first 6 days of China's longest highway autonomous driving challenge showed some of the most successful autonomous driving performance in real road conditions in China from Xiaopeng's P7, the company said in a statement. So basically, the frequency of human driver intervention was as low as 0.65 times per 100 kilometers. So it's clear Xiaopeng is moving forward massively with regards to self-driving. So I think they're further ahead than NIO. I think Tesla's the furthest ahead in terms of real-world miles and real-world situations. So let's dive into the juicy financials. We're here on Stockopedia. This is a platform I use all the time to analyze stocks. If you guys wish to check it out and see if it fits your investing style, I've got an exclusive 25% off discount link only for you guys, the viewers of Motivation to Invest. So I'll leave that in the link below, see if it's for you. The company is currently unprofitable. That is a major risk with NIO. As you can see, the company's margins are improving over time, which is great to see. This is all in Chinese yuan. And sales growth. Now, the company has had fantastic sales growth. So over the past year, the company's grown its revenues. It's 133%. Now, to put that in perspective, generally, I say a growth stock is one which is growing at least 20% per year. 133%, guys. Incredible growth. Morgan Stanley, we've got Goldman Sachs here, we've got HSBC. 6 hold, 8 buy, 4 strong buy, and 2 sell. So definitely more on the buy side, but still there's a couple of sells in there, which is quite interesting. Deep dive valuation. So this is my valuation model, and I've done this for probably 20, 30 stocks at the moment. And this is my research platform. I'm going through a lot of different stocks which are in my portfolio or I'm interested in, or people are requesting, and I'm basically doing a deep dive valuation because I feel in the market we're in right now and in the market we were in 2020, everybody knows the price of everything but the value of nothing. So my goal is to actually give us some grounding so we know the true value of what we're actually buying, and then we know when it's mispriced, and then we can take advantage of that opportunity. So this is the valuation spreadsheet. If you want to download this, play around with it, plug in numbers yourself, plug in numbers for new stocks, and actually check out these valuations for all the different stocks. I've actually got this in the VIP group, free to download in there. So if you wish to check that out, there's a link in the description below. You also get access to my buys and sell signals and my entire investment portfolio and a thriving community of some of the finest investors on the internet. The fair value per share I'm getting is $24 per share. The price now after this 40% decline is $38 per share. So it's still slightly overvalued, but not as much as it was a few years back. So in terms of technicals, if we dive in here, we can see NIO actually bounced off the 200-day moving average. So between $40 and $30, this seems like quite strong support for NIO stock. So if you're after a small position, could be an opportunity. If you want to play things a bit more conservative because there's a lot of opportunities in the market right now, then you could wait for a further decline. And yeah, I did promise you guys, I'm going to reveal to you guys how you can invest into NIO stock without actually investing into NIO stock. So you could potentially invest into the Chinese global conglomerate, which is Tencent. So Tencent is an entertainment giant. E-commerce, they've got JD.com, which is a very popular platform in China. They've also got content and entertainment, Tencent Video, QQ, social media. They've got WeChat, which is similar to WhatsApp in Europe, in the US. They've got DouYu, which I believe is a streaming platform. They've also invested into companies such as Uber, Lyft, they have Tencent Gaming. And this is the special part. They also have stakes in Tesla. I believe they have around 5% stake in Tesla. And they have stakes in NIO. So they currently have around 8.61% of NIO. So basically, as NIO benefits, Tencent will also benefit. So beware though, guys, it does come with that China risk. So that's something you guys should be aware of. But yeah, if you guys did find some value in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. So please do comment your thoughts below. What do you think of NIO stock? Are you buying at these levels or are you waiting to see how things play out? Comment your thoughts below. Also, if you're new around here and you still haven't subscribed, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And remember guys, if you do want to know in real time exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling, and access my entire portfolio, and join a thriving community of some of the finest people on the internet, then feel free to check out that first link in the description below for the VIP membership group. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.